Okay, hi, good day. So today we're going to be doing January 2021E, which is our fraction question. All right. They said using a calculator or otherwise calculate the exact value of the following. So we have 4 and 1/5 multiplied by a third minus 1 and a quarter. And usually when I see mixed numbers like this, I usually just convert them to improper fraction and then solve them. So I have 4, as I was saying, 4 and 1 over 5 is 4 5s are 20 plus 1 is 21 over 5. And 1 over 4, 1 4 is 4 plus 1 is 5 over 4. So we have 21 over 5 multiplied by 1 over 3 minus 5 over 4. And when we're doing questions like this, we always follow BODMAS, right, which tells us the order in which to carry out our operation. So we are going to do multiplication first and then subtraction. Right, so we have 21 over 5 multiplied by 1 over 3. We look at our denominators and numerators and compare them. Can any number go into 21 and 5 at the same time without leaving a remainder? No. What about 21 and 3? Yes. 3 could go into 3, 1, and 3 could go into 21, 7. Right, now we're going to compare 7 and 5. Any number could go into 7 and 5 at the same time? No. So now we have 7 by 1 is 7 and 5 by 1 is 5. So it's 7 over 5 for your multiplication part. So the question now is 7 over 5 minus, instead of 1 and a quarter, you're going to put 5 over 4. We see our denominators are different, so we find our LCM because it's subtraction. 5 and 4, you're going to use 2 first. The smallest prime number is 2, so 2 could go into at least one number, which is 4. 2 into 5 cannot, you bring down the 5, 2 into 4, 2. Then the next prime number would be 2 again. 2 into 5 cannot, bring down the 5. 2 into 2 is 1. Then your next prime number that can go into 5 or 1 would be 5. So you say 5 into 5, 1, 5 into 1 cannot, so you bring down the 1. Now, because we get 1, 1, we know our LCM would be, you multiply these. 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 20. So LCM here is 20, and you compare your denominator with our LCM. How many times can 20, right, how many times can 5 go into 20? 5 go into 20 4 times, so you multiply your numerator of that fraction by 4. 4 could go into 25 times, so you multiply your fraction by the numerator of that fraction by 5. So they say 5 4s are 20. What am I saying? Sorry. 7 4s are 28, right? And then 5 5s are 25. So you have 28 minus 25 over 20, which is 28 minus 25 is 3 over 20, and that would be your answer for January 2020.